Money with Eddie and Vinny Cuz here, where we watch the green little line cross over the yellow line, and then we make some money. Where we have a $2,000 challenge, and we take $1,000, we turn it into two before we make it. Before we go into a live money account, I am at 1,008, and Vinny is at 1,662. And here we go, doing it again. Two Uber drivers trying to find their way out of ride sharing through day trading. Let's make this money.
Good morning. Good morning. Hey, I gotta apologize again for not making it yesterday. I was down a rabbit hole and just really overslept. So I apologize to you, Eddie, and to the thousands and thousands of your friends in attendance and the millions across the world. Let's get ready to trade. Anyway, so I didn't make any trades
Morning,
yesterday.
Richard. Morning, Wes. Good morning.
Richie, Wes, what's popping, my man? What's popping, my man?
I need my music.
I need music. I need music. Boy, my throat is messed up this morning.
Wes had to correct me yesterday because I
Okay.
called Kanye some new kid. What was his name, Wes?
You called Kanye. The hell you talking about?
Yeah, I started I heard it, and I think it's called Hope, the song. And I was like, wow, I was like, I love this new song by Kanye. It sounds just like Kanye, but it's a white guy. It's a white kid.
Sounds
I was like,
just like Kanye, but a white guy.
new? Was it new there, Wes?
Are you being racist already this morning, dude? What the
Yeah, dude. I can't get my colors right. I think I'm colorblind.
hell? Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Unless you're eating strawberries. Ain't nothing wrong with being colorblind. Lose the labels. Lose the labels. I got Tesla. That's the Tesla chart on my chart, and then I got Spy on my chart. So we're gonna see. I don't know, man. I don't think I missed much yesterday. I really
No,
don't
it
think I
was
missed.
ranging yesterday. It was not that good.
Yeah,
I
I
brought my
kind of
account
looked.
down, so
I looked this morning and I was like, well, I didn't miss much. I didn't miss much. Oh, what's Apple doing, man? Let's take a look at Apple. Apple's down into that range again. It's in its range.
look at that. Oh, it's moving. Oh, okay. Ding, 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 ding. We need a bell.
All right, I'll make sure we get a bell for tomorrow. Actually, you know what? I'll go
We
find.
need a bell. Ding, 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 ding.
I'll go find one. I'll find a bell.
All
Uh,
right, here we go. Apple is going. But I'm going to stick to my spy. Let it go, baby. Come on, go back into oversold and stay down there. There's a
oh,
little resistance zone. This is my zone right down here where I wanted to go into and then I wanted to turn around. But for the day, let's see where we at. The week gap, and we gapped that down today. Look at that.
okay, I'm gonna have to make these charts separate. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Bro, Eddie, last night another bro, let me tell you something, bro. Flipping Lyft. Lyft was throwing some haymakers at my ass last night. The biggest, I got one request. It was the biggest ride disparity I had ever seen. From what it should have paid before upfront pricing to what it was paying now with upfront pricing. A $30 haircut they wanted me to take for a ride. $30. Bro,
Wow, that's really harsh.
bro, bro.
$30 is a lot.
You think? I got proof. I got screenshots.
couple of days ago, I got a really good one. Multi-apping. I was
Uh-huh.
dropping off, and then on the other app, I was picking up where I was dropping off. Ooh, couldn't do it any
That was
better.
my Oh, so apparently you didn't watch my video from Saturday night. That happened to me one, two, three times. Three times. Sissy boy.
Well, lucky you. Yay.
Three times, sissy boy. And then did you read that article that Jeff put in the text group about deactivations and how it's just random and bullshit?
No, no, I haven't. Nope.
Yeah, you might want to might want to take a look at that article.
I'll take a look at it. He put it in the chat or in our the Discord.
No, not the damn. No, man, not Discord.
Not that chat. Not that chat. The other
Oh,
one. The other chat.
the other chat. Yeah.
The private chat of the private chat. Copy that.
Well, that's not a private chat. Just some people choose not to use it. Ugh.
Come on, Spy. Give me my signal. And or Tesla. Oh my God, Tesla is really coming down. It went down 3 points. What you doing,
Tesla,
man?
looking at my charts, it's only down $1.21. Look for it to come down to about. If it keeps coming down, watch for it to come down to about 202. Wow, look at it. It's just slamming through my zone. Wow.
What
Wow.
does? Hold on. Let me take a look at Tesla right now because as long as it's doing like moves like that, I'm interested.
You're interested. I'm interested.
Yeah, because what I learned is that if it's doing this and if it's just moving, then it's got momentum.
Yep.
Or volume. Volume. What's the volume on this thing? 862.
I got
1.7 million.
to see what it wants to do here. I don't know, man. This thing's pushing pretty hard. I'm trying to jump on one right now.
1.2 million.
All right, I'm in one right now. I'm in at
Yeah, but
490.
we have a no new. Do we have any news on Tesla?
I don't know, but I'm in at 490 here. Line represents where I'm in on the trade.
Let me see what we got here for Tesla. Elon Musk reported recruiting experts to develop an open AI competitor.
My eyes
Yes,
on the chart
that was
right now, bro.
18
Eyes on the
hours
chart
ago.
right
Dow Jones futures reversed lower ahead of manufacturing data.
now. Nvidia's coming down. Tesla's coming down. Spy's getting ready to break. Apple is down half a point. I got a major resistance trend line at 202. Up $45 on this trade right now. Let's see what happens. Got to get ready to pop it out in case it reverses. Lot of red volume, but goddamn, being
Damn.
it's ripping into the oversold. I want to see what it does at 202 here.
It'll be nice to get a pullback.
Stop with the pullback. I don't want to pull back. I don't want to pull back. Don't want to pull back. Rip. I want it to rip. All right, now we're hitting my support level or my trend line, my upwards trend line. So we are going to what are we up? We're up 14% right now. Let's see what it wants to do. You might be getting ready.
Wes, your Wes. Oh, by the way, good morning, Kiki. I know Vinny is ignoring you, but it's okay. I see you.
What the hell you mean I'm ignoring? I'm not ignoring anybody. I'm
I
working,
see
man.
you.
What the hell? You sitting there wishing, hoping on
I'm
my
doing. I'm
downfall
doing.
here.
I'm doing the giant Smurf sign. I see you.
All right, I'm out of that contract. Was in at I was in at 490. It got filled at 555. So this is where my contract sold right here. That's where my contract sold. That was a nice $65 rip this morning. Wait a minute, that can't be right. Bought at 490, 55, that's $65. Yeah. So what the fuck? All right, Weeble hasn't caught up with the right number yet. Let them catch up what they need to catch up on.
I'm gonna put
There's
this
your
right here.
pullback. There's your pullback.
There is
There.
my pullback.
Wishing that bad stuff on me, man. What the hell?
Wait, if you can take the pullback,
I can't predict
I
nothing.
just because this is just show continuation to the downside. Let me see. This is the 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm up $65. I'm at 1733. All right, let me get into these chats. Let me get into these chats. Oh, really, Kiki? Really? Really, Kiki? Okay. All right, I got you. I got you. FBI, open up! See? She said, oh, look who made it. Oh, look who made it. All right, I got you. Wes is out driving Uber. I will not be driving today. As I told Eddie, having some problems with Kitty. So my other half, my better half, has my truck today. I got to work on her car and see what the hell's going on with that. Still holding my put. Expires tomorrow. It expires tomorrow or expires Friday. Today's only Wednesday. Eddie, you had your pullback. Now what are you going to do with it? What are you
I'm
going to
waiting
do
for
with it?
my candle to confirm.
Sissy boy. I'm glad you see Eddie. I'm glad you see Eddie. Uh-huh.
There it goes.
Yeah. Y'all love me. Okay.
Okay, I am in. Let me see. Here is my put. But I'm gonna be ready to sell really quick because I don't. No,
Uh-huh.
there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. It's turning on me.
Mm-hmm. Little bit. Oh. Might get a little consolidation in here between these two zones. Look at your wicks. I don't know if you can
Yep,
see them on the chart, Eddie.
yep. I'm seeing my wick. See, it's wicking right at the
Here, let me bring it up so everybody can see this. See the wicks?
uh-huh.
So we're looking to see what it. That's not what I want. God damn it. Okay. So I'm gonna do it. I'm definitely gonna do a we. I'm gonna redo those 3 videos today and get those up on the other channel. There she goes. There she goes. Can we break lower day? Lower day is 20202.
20202. Oh yeah.
Current. That's current lower day. And what I want to see out of that, give me a color here. I need a color. I need a color. I need a color that stands out. There it is. So what I want to see out of this now is I want to see if it breaks 202 and below it, and then we might be running down below 200. So it's all about what it does in this range. It might have settled off. It's funny because I've got a macro trend line going up, and so yeah. All right, let me dial up a 200 contract. No, the 200 contract is a contract I've already traded once. And what did that contract cost me? 490. I'm looking at the next contract that's got a lot of volume in it, which would be the 340s. That's a 195 contract. Holy Jesus. That's a long way to go. Go back to the 200 contracts. If I got to play it again, I'll just play the contract again. Sorry if the charts keep moving. It's this little funky thing I got going on here. Doing the Dom. Doing the Dom, Eddie. What do you got going on?
I don't know. I am ready for this. It doesn't seem to be want to just come down.
It's just hanging out. It's in a range. It's just a
um,
range.
but I like how it's trailing the 9 EMA. But let's see.
Well, it hasn't broken above the 9 EMA yet.
So on my 2 minute, I got my cross. On my 3 minute, I got down movement. Okay, something like that.
We needed to break one way or another. So that's what we're looking for now is a break one way or another. Wow, my computer's running hot today. What the fuck? Why is my computer running so damn hot? Why is my computer running so hot? Oh, my GPU is spiked.
Ooh,
Not my GPU, my CPU.
fan. Make sure the fan's working. I got my nice little cooling system on mine that supposedly keeps it nice and cool.
Shit is running hot like a motherfucker.
All right, look. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's not what is this? This is gonna be a break even, literally. Yeah. I just don't like that it's working.
Yeah, my holy shit. Something ain't working right on this computer. I can feel the heat. Eddie, I'll
So
be back.
you
I'll be back in a minute. All right.
copy that.
I'll
Wes, what are you still on, Wes? You're still on your You said that you were in spy puts, I think, but that were gonna go away like 2 weeks. But puts. Oh, I'm gonna do the dom. I'm gonna do the dom, and just gonna wait. I got my spy up. I technically made like $2 on the Tesla one. Okay, here is the spy. It is 48, so it's technically I do have a time here. Let's see. Come on, give me that 9 EMA. There is news coming out at 10. Yep, manufacturing and construction. And then at 9:45 was the what is it? Manufacturing PMI? I have no idea what that is. What time is it? It's 9:49. Okay, let's do this. Hold on, I'm gonna put my spy here just in case. Okay, let it go. Look at this. It's going right into my zone. Right into my zone. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes for these news. I'm just setting up my trays just in case. Look at this. Tesla is breaking down. Tesla is really breaking down. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I know why I can't see. Big volume of 1.6, 1.2 million. It doesn't want to break. See that? It just touched my overbought level. It's turning around, and I'm waiting to see if it'll break my 9 EMA to the downside. It could turn around right here. There we go. See, I'm trying to see if he's coming up to the 200 and it's turning to the downside, or if it's going to pull back and then continue the uptrend. But I see it, I don't know. I see it coming down. Ooh, possibility right here. A nice little pop. Okay, let's try this. 5 calls right here. I want to see what happens when it gets to this level.
What you looking at? What you looking at? What you looking at?
The SPY, I'm just going to try to play this bounce right here, stop right here, and I'm going to try to sell. No, no, no.
All right, so I'm probably going to have to do some rearranging today. That
With
where was where I've got my computer sitting. I've never seen it get that hot though. So I went and I dropped the turned the AC on, got a fan, put a fan on it, but it's still running pretty hot. But for some reason, well, it's nominal now. You got to remember anybody that's out there that's into computers, things of that nature. When you're running a trading software program and you're running a streaming broadcast, it that does not run off your GPU. It all runs off your CPU, your computer chip. All the processes, everything's on the computer chip. So I might have to open it up and do a cleaning today on my computer. Maybe we'll do a video about that.
not too fond how it's just hesitating.
But now I've got
Not
temperature
too fond
all under control.
of how it's hesitating. Yeah.
I just see everything ranging. Tesla came back down and hit my long term.
Yeah, actually Tesla is
Tesla set a new high, a new low a day, 201.83. I see.
yeah, Tesla, and it's just a squeezing in between the 9 EMA and that 202, what was that, 20202 or
Yeah, well,
20201?
yeah, 201.83 now. But you said you're in some spy contracts.
No, I just saw them. I'm into profits, but I just didn't like how I was just hesitating, like right there. It is coming up into my zone. So, and it literally turned around right at my zone.
Oh, that reminds me.
But Tesla, I like, right? A break to the downside.
Shit.
Why can these things just go away? I have got my cross on the Tesla. I have got my cross on my 2 minute. I have got my cross on the 1 minute.
I'm just looking at indices across the board. I mean, you know, it is what it is. SPY is running even from yesterday. Dow Jones is up about 30 points. Futures are down a little bit. NASDAQ is down. But everything is really, really quiet, if that makes sense.
But we still got 1 more minute for
Everything's
these
really quiet.
news.
What do we got happening at 10 o'clock?
We got construction spending and manufacturing,
Okay.
which is at 10 a.m. Expected is -4 on construction.
All right. Tesla's making a move here. Tesla's making a move here.
There it goes. Okay, hold on, hold on. Here is my put with Tesla.
Waiting to see if Tesla's going to break below this limit. If it's going to bounce off my 200 or my uptrend line, or if it's going to break below it. If it does, look out. It's going to be timber.
There it goes. I kind of see it coming.
News is released.
Yes.
Dollar is ripping up. VIX is trying to come back up. 10-year Treasury just went up. That's it. Market shook for a second. That's where we're at. Tesla hit that 20202 on that little pop down.
Yes, it did. A 202, 201.83. Now it's the low.
Up.
But I do not want it to turn around against me.
A
But I
lot of
am.
consolidation here, bro. A lot of consolidation. A lot of consolidation there, bro.
Hey, no messages. No messages. That's where I'm at right now. One Tesla. Okay, let's see this break, and there it goes.
Yep, it just broke below my. I should have waited on the confirmation. I don't know if I got in this one or not. I did. I did try to buy. Yep, there it is. We're in one contract. 585. Let's see if I have to get out of this real quick. See if I'm going to have to get out of this contract or not.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my profits.
So I am back in the same contract I made the money on earlier. The 200 put expires on Friday.
Are you drinking another Pepsi?
It's my first one of the day, bro. I don't drink Pepsi. Pepsi's un-American, bro.
Coca-Cola?
That's all I drink.
Yeah, but Coca-Cola came from the coca plant.
That's right. At one time, it was pure cocaine.
That's why kids became so addicted to them back then.
All right, we're running on this contract a little bit. Watching the chart, watching the chart. I guess I should show you my chart. There you
It's
go.
just the wicks on these things are horrible.
Again, purple line over here shows where I'm in on my contract. That's on the right. On the left, you got the actual 1 minute ticker. So we're watching the 1 minute ticker. My the next support level, if it keeps coming down, is 200. Not
Well,
only is that psychological,
here is my cross right here. Hold on, that's the 1 minute. On the 2 minute is also right there. It would be nice. It would be nice. But
I'm looking to see if it's going to hit this 200 level and bounce.
okay. I think this is gonna be my last trade for today.
Why is that?
I think I messed up. I am in 5 contracts at 397.
Damn. Puts or
Um,
calls?
puts.
You might get there, bro.
Oh, you know what? Okay, that was supposed to be cheap contracts. All right, technically my account would have declined for not enough funds.
So don't worry about it. Let's go. We're learning. You're learning. You're playing. You're playing. Be present in the trade. Be present in your trade. We are getting so close to this 200.07.
Yeah, dude,
Eight.
look at it. Okay, yeah.
I'm watching the dollar is ripping. Nvidia dumped. Apple dumped. Yep, the chips are going down, buddy. Can we break below 200? Can we break below 200? We're right at my support level.
Okay, I am
A
selling my
lot of
floor
sellers.
at 15%. There you go. I'm just holding on to just one more. And here is my zone.
We are now down below 200. We just broke below 200. I'm up 12.5% on this contract. Got to ride it down. Next stop, 195.79 for some reason. I forget why I got that number in there. All right, we're up $103 on this contract. Oh, man, she's still coming. Dollar is ripping. The U.S. 10-year just freaking ripped. About to break 4%. Oh, wow. Sergio said, be aware of that 4%. Holy jeez.
All right, I am done for today.
I'm not. I'm not done yet. And I still got money to trade.
Yeah,
Technically,
no, no. Technically,
it's only my second. Can we get to 197.50? No way we're going to get that far down there. Is this a full pullback or a mini pullback? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Got my eye on it. Big, big sells. Dollar still ripping to the upside. Might get a little pullback on these stocks. Let's pop this contract out, be done with it. Let's see where it's sold at. Remember, we're in the paper trading accounts right here.
yeah, so technically some of the things that I did right now wouldn't have counted.
All right, so I got that contract filled at 690. Yeah, that contract sold at 690, so that was another $105. That's where it sold. I might have got out early, but you know what? That's okay. I took my profit, bro. Always take your profit. Always, always, always take your profit. All right, so that puts me at, I think it's going to be 170 for the day as soon as it catches up.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna stay where I'm at. 245 for the day. Um, but I would have never been able to do this with if it was a real account because my five, yeah, see, my spy puts,
Uh huh.
they were like 200 and something, when I bought them, and I bought five.
Right. Right. Put that at
So
185. All right. Well, my first trade was $490. My second trade was $585. So it still leaves me $593 I can trade today. We're gonna sit and wait now for another setup. Eddie, I'm up 170 today. I'm at 1838. So,
so
but
it
you
was good.
stayed present. Yeah, but you stayed present in that trade you just made. You were forget the rules
Well,
for
no, it's because of the news. I saw the news, and then I saw the SPY tanking. It was fluctuating down, and I was like, you know what? Let me get in the trade because my lines are lining up. The crosses are coming on my one, my two, and my three. Um, and then I got my next resistance point, my zone at this point where it is right now, literally.
right. Well, that's
My MACD is also crossing. So
take a look at Spy. Let me see what I can find on Spy. See if I want to mess with any Spy contracts. Actually, you know what?
see, tomorrow is Thursday, 8:30
SPX.
news.
SPX. What are these contracts looking like? Whew. What's SPX doing? Let's switch this over to SPX.
I'm gonna do the dumb. I'm gonna do the dumb. This is gonna be totally different when it comes to trading with real money.
Let's look at the 3930 contract. No, I'm with the 3930 contract. All right. I might get real cocky here.
What are you doing on the SPX?
Yeah, man. I might do something really dirty here.
Well, it did do a pullback to the nine, and it went down, and it kept
This
going.
this could be very now this is high risk. But if it rips, it's sick. I just got to watch Spy, and that'll let me know what's going on. I don't have anything set up for Spy. God
It
damn it!
is oversold. MACD is really down there.
And there she is. I want this right there. I want that right there. Can it get there though? That's the question. Can it break below that trend line? That's what I want to know.
There you go. It's 394.17. Oh no, wait. In your case, three now is about to go.
Trying to get one now. I'm trying to get a contract now. This is very high risk. Like I'm just telling risk. All right, I'm in at 510.
See that on SPX. This is what I learned from Cameron Ross. Ah, god damn it.
This is very, very high risk.
See that I got the first pull, but this is what I learned from him. Here's your first pullback. You know, here is your second pullback. So whoever missed this one is gonna go for this one. And then the third one is saying,
Yeah, you'll never mess with the third one.
yeah.
This is very, very high risk right now. Up $40, up 7.5%.
But it's not going. Look at that, it's not going.
What's not going? What are you talking about?
SPX.
Oh, it's where it needs to be right now. I'm watching it. I got SPY up here, SPX down there, and on here I got SPX. We're still up a little bit, not much. This is another little. I'm looking for. I'm telling you, it's going to be another leg down.
Oh man, I
Look,
need to.
I'm looking for 393, 393.61. If it touches 393.61, this is going to be. We're going to be starting new tomorrow. But this, like again, bro, this is extremely, extremely high risk. What did I need? So I would need another $95 on this. So here she comes. High risk, high risk, high risk, bro. These contracts, SPX contracts, are so sensitive. It's not even funny. Come on, give me the break to 393. And you are correct though. We are oversold on the RSI like big time.
Yeah.
Big
So it's
time.
it's either gonna pop and it's gonna like a quick pullback.
Yep. Up 17% on this contract. It's screaming at me to get out. We're taking it. We're going to take we'll take whatever it is. I put in a sell order. I think it's going to come down, but
It's
the
just
contract's
taking
out.
too.
We're sold out. We sold that out at that's the Tesla. Okay, so it hasn't come in yet. All right, SPX. I was in at 510, out at 570. Looks like I got out at the right time. That's why you always take your profits, bro. This is where I got out. So I'm trying to show my ins and outs. Trying to show my ins and outs here. All right, that put me at oh, it's not done yet. Yeah. So now I'm at 1898. Profit today, I'm up $230, as you can see. There you go. You can see my account details right here, up 230. Looks like I got out at
Oh
the
yeah.
right time, huh? That's it, bro.
Yeah. Technically, I would have never been able to trade that last one. I was about $800 over.
Oof. But
I would have been about $800 short.
okay, but you made a good trade. So you have to go back and you have to review that. What made you think that? What led you to take that trade?
News,
Always constantly review. Okay.
news. I gotta keep that.
And and then your exit and entry points were good.
Yeah, because my cross, um, my zone, which was came off right off the zone. Okay, it started downtrending. At 10 o'clock was when where was it? This is 10 o'clock was when the news hit, and it just I don't know. It just kept fluctuating down, down, down. See this big giant wick right here. So, like you said, indecision candle. All right, this
Right.
one pushing. The wick is pushing down. Indecision candle again, and then it broke right here. Um, and I was like, you know what? It crossed.
Any-
It crossed on my 2 minute, on my 2 minute, on my 1 minute, and my three was setting up for it.
Right.
And you know what? The odds are that it's gonna go. But the news was the one that was helping me.
Right. Right. I got you. I feel you. That's what people do. There are traders out there that all they do is trade the news, bro. Sell
Have
the
to wait for
news.
news.
Sell the news. Sell the news. That's another trading cliche. Sell the news. Bro, look how
Because
bro, I timed that contract good. Like really good. I timed that contract really good. So that's where we're at. I only got $83 left that I could actually trade, so we're not gonna do that. We and bro, $230 in 45 minutes worth of work this morning on two trades. Three trades. Three trades.
uh no, there was I didn't hold on to those Apple puts.
Three trades for the win. Ugh.
I did not do Apple puts.
Bro,
You
you know
said you were in Apple puts, but I don't think you told me to get into some Apple puts. This was from yesterday, right? I know you was talking about yesterday that you got yourself into some Apple puts, and also into some.
bro, you know what's sad? You want to hear something sad? I just made the same amount of money right now. I just made the exact same amount of money in 45 minutes that I did in 8, 9 hours driving the last 2 nights.
Well, we got to do this consistently, consistently.
I'm actually pretty consistent. You're getting there. You're going to be there in another 2 weeks.
Ah, I don't know. I don't know. Tomorrow it's gonna be Thursday, and we have 8:30 news, and then that's it. So when the market opens, um, just play my strategy once it starts moving.
Bro, trading is all about wash, rinse, repeat.
Let me see nine.
Consistent traders know how to repeat trades. They don't play games. It's not get fancy. There ain't nothing cute. You don't need to be cute. Keep it simple, and you can make money. You can make money most of the time if you keep it simple. It's when people want to get fancy with this crap. That's why I'm basic trading 101.
Where are you at? Any 18 what?
I am at 1898. Tell Vinny it's my. He said go all in on Apple puts and tell Vinny it's my fault. Bro, it's nobody's fault. Everybody learns. Everybody learns. Nah, Wes. I mean, while I appreciate, you know, the kudos there, You've been doing well. You've been calling some good plays. Been calling some good plays, Wes. Building community one trading day at a time. So what else you got on tap today, Eddie? What's going on, man? How was your night last night? You make some money?
I made some money. I think it was 122 that I did with multi-apping, mostly Lyft.
Okay,
Um, but I had a private 150, some foreigners, one from Korea, the other two were from China, and it became a private ride, but they haven't paid yet.
gotcha.
So, little bastards.
Well, my thing is, I mean, last night, like I said, bro, I just got punched. I mean, Libs just throwing haymakers. They were throwing haymakers. They were undercutting rides so bad. But go take a look at Lyft stock right now, bro.
Yeah, I just had it up not that long ago.
It's under $10.
Look at
Look at that.
this.
Under $10, bro. Lyft is in trouble. And so they are gonna hit us
I
over the
think
head.
under $3 automatically becomes a penny stock, right?
No, 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 no. No, there's a certain Lyft will never be a penny stock. It'll never be a penny stock. But there's no volume. When you see stuff like this, right? This is called barcoding. There's no volume in Lyft. Nobody is interested in Lyft. Nobody. And that's a shame. But you got to go back again, Uber and Lyft. You got to go back to their freaking business models. They're both so hard up to try to replace public transportation. A race to the bottom, the Walmart syndrome. They want to be the cheapest. Bro, you cannot replace, okay, a bus ride that might go 20 miles and it's going to cost you $2. You can't replace that in a
Look at
car.
that. Nothing.
You can't do it. And that's what these idiots are trying to do.
I think
They're
it's
stupid.
Sergio's fault.
They're stupid. If they were smart, if they were smart, they would go back and recognize what the hell they are. They are what we do is a luxury service. Not luxury in the sense of, Cadillacs and Mercedes. Luxury in the sense of it's for your convenience. We are a convenience. We are not a mode of public freaking transportation. But they don't get that. And that's why their asses are in trouble now. You know, that's why they're in trouble. You look at every airline, right? All the airline margins, restaurant margins. I have never seen a restaurant with the world famous chef and all of that good hoopla. I've never seen them operate on a 1% margin. But you look at cruise ships, you look at airlines, they're all trying to undercut each other so much they can't be profitable. They can't be freaking profitable. And this is a problem. That's the other part. CC just said, sorry, I'm on a rant right now. I got to make up for yesterday. There's plenty of desperate drivers in Austin taking one-way rides to the airport for $7 at 4:30 in the morning. Yeah, you're right. That's the other part of it, right? They don't limit the amount of drivers so that the driver has a fair shot at making some goddamn money. It's like this whole vacuum sucked into being racing to the bottom. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's a means to an end. Exactly what it is. A means to an end. Sorry about that, Ed.
But it's all right. The whole numbers thing that you guys do, I don't understand it. I know Sergio explains it a little
Well,
bit better,
okay.
but
So say you run a business.
see, I got Lyft right here, right? The financials for Lyft, but I'm not seeing where. Wait, I'm typing on the wrong thing. See?
Yeah, but you got to take those financials with a grain of salt. You know why? Because at the end of every single P&L, both Uber and Lyft and DoorDash, it has one statement everybody fails to overlook or they fail to look at. You know what that statement is? These financials are not officially audited, which means nobody verified, which means your CEOs and your CFOs are creating fuzzy math. It's exactly what it is. Unless it's verified and audited by an independent CPA, I can tell you I made $100 million last year and only spent $9, and I'm going to base my P&L off of that.
Look at
Submit
this.
that. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Listen to this. Uber and Lyft drivers are facing discrimination from customers and getting banned from the apps. Reports find.
What do you mean facing? Why are they facing discrimination?
A driver back report finds 69% of the drivers of color have experienced some sort of deactivation compared with 57% of white drivers.
So that's
This
the
is this
that's
is an article by Market Watch.
well, it's not an article by Market Watch. It's another article, and they're just pushing it out there. That report came out yesterday or day before. That's the one that Jeff put into the chat group that I read last night. The problem I have with that article is it's based off of Rideshare United, right? And Nicole Moore, who Nicole Moore is a freaking, she is a Karen. She is such a whiner, right? I don't know how, but she's the president of Rideshare United. So God bless her, do your thing. But she is so hardcore wanting drivers to be employees. And she's going to be really pissed off. And the rest of them are going to be really pissed off when they become employees of these apps because that's what they're pushing for.
Yes, when they do the whole race thing, it's just that the article is just automatically becomes
It becomes invalid.
yeah.
The minute I was on the phone with Steven last night when I was scanning through the article. The minute they bring the race card in it,
It's invalid, yeah.
it loses its validity.
Because they use it
I'm
to try
not
to
saying
validate it to give it purpose. I was like, in other words, it's a worthless article.
instead of just you know what would be I think would be more valid is if they went sector by sector, region by region, and then broke it down that way. Because as it is right now, the way that article reads, they just said that all riders across all platforms in every city discriminate against people of color. That's what they just said. So what happens when I got people of color in my car? Which is about 60% of the time.
Yeah. So for me,
Bro,
it is just that
bro.
when they do things like that, and then people find out what they're really trying to do, it is just like it doesn't help the company at all. It doesn't work. It doesn't work anymore.
Nope.
It
Nope.
doesn't work. And I'm reading more articles here. Yeah.
Oh, Lyft 990.
I
What the
wonder
hell?
what they're gonna do once it gets down there in price of
Well, they're at their 52-year low now.
so
Well, no, they're getting close. They're getting close to the 52-year low.
what's a bankruptcy filing they start thinking about filing for bankruptcy or they're already doing it now.
I don't. Well, I'm sure they're already thinking of it now. Listen, the 52-week low on Lyft is $9.66. That's the 52-week low. If it breaks below that, we could see capitulation. You know what capitulation is? That's when the opposite side, the opposite direction, okay,
Just
takes
takes
the
over.
opposite direction. The opposition just gives up. So say you're bullish on Lyft right now. You're holding a bag on Lyft, 10,000 shares, 20,000, whatever you're holding. And
Oh,
you're
I
like,
see what
"Oh,
you
it'll
mean.
come back.
Yeah.
It'll come back. Oh, it'll come back. It'll come back." Right? And then you just get beaten down so much that you like, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to cut my losses. And I'm going to take whatever money I got left in it. That's capitulation. It's when the opposite direction the opposite side gives up. You ain't
Because
lying,
they
Kira.
just lost all their gains for the whole entire year.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Capitulation.
Ooh, that's gotta suck so bad.
What's the other quote? What's that quote about the spider
Yeah,
web?
the article is a basura. That's right. Yeah, it's just when they do that stuff, you're just like, oh, okay, here we go. All right, forget it. It's like me having an argument with somebody, you know, and then they'll call me a racist. I was like, there we go. Okay, forget it. You just lost the argument. Um, it's just they're admitting to it. They're admitting that they lost the argument. That's why I can't really, you know, people ask
Well,
for my opinion. I was like, you don't want it. Just leave me alone.
well, that's like the poll that everybody's like they're enjoying quoting right now. There was a poll. I don't know who was polled or what, but it was that said that 52% or 49% of black folks don't like white folks. I can't believe that poll. You're telling me half the black population in America hates white people? I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Not even close. And then you got that knucklehead from the Dilbert cartoon, Dilbert comic. Oh, white people should just get away from black people.
Oh my God, I saw that.
What are we talking about here?
I saw that. I saw that.
Like what in the holy hell are we talking about here? Where you got people can make these goddamn statements, dude. I don't believe that poll for a minute. I don't believe that Dilbert dude. He's an idiot. He's an asshole. And I don't care how you try to justify it. He's an idiot. Sorry, this is supposed to be
I'm looking at Uber Tech right now. See how the company is doing, but again,
my bad, dog. My bad, dog.
Uber's 52 week is high is 37, low is 1990. Where's Uber now? 33.
Yep, they're gonna capitulate too, bro.
33. So you're trying to tell me that if it capitulates, it's a good way to, oh, look at this. SPY is ooh,
So rip back the other way. Yeah, I'm watching. I still
yes
got
it is.
SPX here. Here's Uber on this chart. 3307. Same shit. They're having the same issues.
And it's 19, so it is
Man, I think I
19
lost. I think I
something.
lost some viewers. I think the viewers. My bad, bro. But I don't know how I feel.
Yeah, but
Anytime
it's stock news, which
any-
affects the stock. So
it does 100%. But anytime you put a label in front of something, you automatically signify that you'd rather be separate than together.
52 week,
Anytime you put a label in front of
1990.
something.
Damn.
I'm not an Italian American. I'm a goddamn American. That's what I am. I'm born here. However I got here, I got here. Second generation. Okay. I'm second generation American. But however I got here, I got here. That's it. That's it.
Well,
You,
all I
you
know is that we're
my
gonna
mic.
do it again tomorrow. You're gonna beat me again, Vinny?
I'm not beating you, bro. We're learning together.
Where you at? You're out, right? 1898, you're out.
Yeah, I'm done trading for the day. I got nothing left. I got $83 I can trade. Like, why would I do that? I'm up 230 for the day. That's more than that's sufficient. I'm not trying to
Well,
hit a
all
premium
right.
every day. I'm not trading with that big of an account. But
I am
but
I am well, I'm done for today too. I'm done. I mean, opportunity was right there. I took it. All right. It was a good thing that I waited for news.
that's it.
That's all I needed. As a matter of fact, I couldn't even just, all I had to do was just one trade for today. So,
Less is more. If it's a good trade, then it's a good trade. That's it. That's all you care about is making the good trade. Whether you make $10 on a trade or $100 on a trade, you just want to see it watch for your setup, and make the good trade. That's it. That's the game. You, me, or nobody in our tax bracket is going to move the market. So all we got to do is learn how to play in the mud.
Oh, that's right. All right, let's do it again tomorrow. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm cutting the feed. I am cutting the feed.
You're so
Okay.
mean.
So tomorrow's strategy
You're so mean.
tomorrow tomorrow's strategy is going to be I think 8:30 is the next news. So when the market opens, tomorrow's Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday.
Tomorrow's Thursday.
Uh, 8:30 a.m. It's just going to be news, and then we'll see how the market rips from there, and then I'll take my trade from there. I just need to
So you,
rip.
so you good, bro? You good?
I am good. All right, so we are done for today.
Oh, wait, wait,
1253 and
wait.
1898 for Vinny Cuz. Uh huh. Yeah.
Kiki, hit me up when you're off work today. I'll be home. I'm not going anywhere. So we can work on the things that we've been trying to work on for the last week. I'll send her a text too. Okay. It's up to you, bro. We ready?
Yep. Let's go.
Pow.
Peace.